For nearly a decade, Windows 10 was the go-to operating system for millions worldwide, reliable, familiar, and dominant. It became the digital home for students, professionals, families, and businesses alike, shaping the way we worked, learned, and connected. Its interface was instantly recognizable, and its stability made it a trusted companion for everything from late-night assignments to high-stakes business meetings. Across bustling offices and classrooms, Windows 10 powered productivity and creativity. It was the silent engine behind countless projects, innovations, and everyday moments, seamlessly supporting users of all ages and backgrounds. At home, families gathered around Windows 10 PCs for entertainment, communication, and learning. The familiar icons and classic start menu became a staple in households, offering comfort and consistency in a rapidly changing digital world. But as of July 2025, the landscape has shifted dramatically. Windows 11 has officially overtaken Windows 10 in global market share, signaling a major turning point in the evolution of personal computing. According to StatCounter, over 52% of Windows PCs now run Windows 11. A clear sign that users are embracing the future. This isn't just a statistic, it's a reflection of changing needs, new expectations, and a collective move toward innovation. The leap from Windows 10 to Windows 11 isn't just a routine update, the difference between the two systems is striking. Windows 11 introduces a reimagined user experience, with features designed for the modern era, touch, voice, and AI integration at its core. If Windows 10 was like a classic dependable car, reliable and familiar, then Windows 11 is a sleek, modern electric vehicle, streamlined, efficient, and powered by artificial intelligence. It's built for speed, security, and adaptability, ready to meet the demands of a connected world. The new OS brings a fresh design philosophy, with a softer, more rounded look and a centered start menu. Subtle animations and intuitive layouts make everyday tasks feel smoother and more enjoyable, while the interface feels both inviting and futuristic. The shift feels monumental because Windows 10 was so ubiquitous for so long. Its presence was woven into the fabric of daily life, making this transition feel like the end of a digital era and the start of something entirely new. The departure of Windows 10 marks more than a software update. It's the closing of a chapter that defined a generation of computing. For many, it's a nostalgic farewell to a system that was always there when it mattered most. The familiar blue window and sharp-angled start menu are giving way to a new modern aesthetic. Windows 11's design is not just about looks, it's about creating a more seamless, connected, and intelligent experience for users everywhere. The momentum behind Windows 11 is undeniable, pulling the PC world into the future. As more devices upgrade, the ecosystem grows stronger, unlocking new possibilities for work, play, and creativity. The reign of Windows 10 is over. A new chapter has begun. With Windows 11, we're not just witnessing an upgrade, we're stepping into a bold new era of computing where innovation and imagination set the pace for what's next. Why the sudden rush to upgrade? The answer is simple: a looming deadline. On October 14, 2025, Microsoft ends official support for Windows 10. No more free security updates or technical help. This deadline has turned upgrading from a choice into a necessity, especially for businesses facing major security risks. Microsoft offers one free year of extended security updates, but only if you use Windows Backup and OneDrive, otherwise it'll cost you. The message is clear: staying on Windows 10 will soon be inconvenient and risky. Microsoft's persistent upgrade prompts have accelerated Windows 11 adoption dramatically. What started as a gentle nudge is now an urgent call. Time is running out. The future is Windows 11, and the bridge back to Windows 10 is about to close. The great migration is reaching its peak. Beyond the deadline, there's a bigger story behind Windows 11. It's not just about meeting a date on the calendar. This upgrade is about redefining what it means to use a modern PC. Microsoft has taken a bold step forward, aiming to create an operating system that feels both familiar and refreshingly new. Windows 11 offers real, tangible improvements that you can see and feel every day. It's designed to make your workflow smoother, your experience more enjoyable, and your device more secure. The most obvious change is its design. A centered start menu, rounded corners, and a minimalist look create a modern, focused workspace. The interface is cleaner, less cluttered, and more visually appealing, making it easier to find what you need and stay productive. Snap layouts let you organize windows instantly, making multitasking seamless. With just a few clicks, you can arrange multiple apps side by side, customize your workspace, and switch between tasks with ease, perfect for both work and play. Performance is faster and more efficient. Boot times are noticeably quicker, and apps stay responsive even with heavy multitasking. Whether you're launching programs, editing documents, or streaming content, everything feels snappier and more reliable. Under the hood, Windows 11 manages resources smarter, making your hardware feel more powerful. It optimizes CPU and memory usage, so even older devices can benefit from improved speed and efficiency. Security is a major leap forward, requiring features like TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. These aren't just technical buzzwords, they're essential tools that help protect your data and privacy. These hardware-level protections defend against advanced threats from the moment your PC starts. They help block malware, ransomware, and unauthorized access, giving you peace of mind every time you power on. While some users dislike the stricter requirements, the payoff is a much more secure system. It's a trade-off that prioritizes your safety and the integrity of your information. In a world of constant cyber threats, this security is a compelling reason to upgrade. With attacks becoming more sophisticated, having built-in defenses is more important than ever. Windows 11 isn't just a facelift. It's a reimagined, smarter OS. It brings together design, performance, and security in a way that feels cohesive and forward-thinking. The changes are more than skin-deep. They redefine how we use our computers. From daily tasks to creative projects, everything feels more intuitive and connected. For many, that's reason enough to make the switch. Windows 11 isn't just an update, it's a new chapter in the way we interact with technology, offering a glimpse into the future of personal computing. The standout feature of Windows 11 is Copilot, a deeply integrated AI assistant that's changing the way we interact with our computers. With Copilot, Microsoft has reimagined what an operating system can do, blending intelligence directly into the core experience. Copilot isn't just a search bar, it's a creative partner that can summarize documents, draft emails, and generate images, all from the taskbar. Whether you're working on a project, organizing your day, or just looking for inspiration, Copilot is always just a click away, ready to help streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Its contextual awareness means it understands what you're working on and offers relevant help, making the OS more accessible for everyone. For example, if you're editing a document, Copilot can suggest improvements or even help you research related topics, all without leaving your current window. Microsoft is pushing AI even further with Copilot Plus PCs, which use special neural processing units for faster, more advanced AI features. These chips are designed specifically to handle complex AI tasks, making Copilot's responses quicker and more powerful than ever before. These machines can translate languages in real time or search your PC's history using natural language. Imagine asking your computer to find a photo from last summer's vacation, or to instantly translate a business email. Copilot makes it possible, seamlessly and intuitively. Unlike Cortana, Copilot is truly integrated and evolves with your workflow. It learns from your habits and adapts to your needs, offering smarter suggestions the more you use it, and becoming a genuine digital collaborator. This marks a shift from a passive OS to an active collaborator. Windows is no longer just a platform for running apps, it's a partner that anticipates your needs, helps you solve problems, and empowers you to do more. For many, this smarter, more intuitive experience is a major reason to embrace Windows 11. It's not just about new features, it's about a new way of working, learning, and creating, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. AI isn't an add-on anymore, it's at the heart of the new Windows. With Copilot, Microsoft is setting a new standard for what we expect from our computers, making technology more helpful, more personal, and more powerful than ever before. Not everyone can upgrade. Windows 11's strict hardware requirements have left many older PCs behind. You'll need a recent processor and TPM 2.0, which excludes millions of otherwise functional machines. This forces users to either buy new hardware or risk running unsupported, insecure systems. Microsoft argues these requirements are for better security, but it's created a digital divide and frustration for many. The upgrade isn't just about features, it's about who gets to move forward. Windows 11's rise wasn't instant. It took 4 years to reach the top. Early adoption was slow, thanks to strict hardware rules and user hesitation. Gamers led the way, drawn by performance boosts and features like direct storage. Adoption picked up as the Windows 10 deadline approached and upgrade prompts became unavoidable. The shift became less about choice and more about necessity. By summer 2025, Windows 11 finally claimed the majority. It was a slow, steady climb, proof that persistence pays off. The future of Windows is now built for Windows 11. Developers and new apps are moving on. Windows 10 support is fading fast, and soon, users will miss out on both security and innovation. Microsoft's AI breakthroughs and next-gen features are exclusive to Windows 11. For nearly a decade, Windows 10 was our digital home, stable, familiar, and reliable. But technology moves forward, and clinging to the past means getting left behind. The transition to Windows 11 is more than a facelift. It's a reimagining of what an OS can be. The numbers are in, and the shift is real. The question now, are you ready to make the switch? Will you embrace the new era, or hold on to Windows 10 until the very end? The clock is ticking.